Welcome to KRC's Service Solution video series. Companies tend to overlook strong preventative maintenance programs. A proactive PM program will help to eliminate unnecessary emergency breakdowns and have a positive impact on reaching your production goals.
The advantages of pulling back the way covers once a year to clean out the chips are numerous. Chip buildup can destroy your ways, way wipers, linear guides, and ball screws. What might take a few hours of downtime and replacing $20 way wipers can save you several days of downtime and thousands of dollars if the turkite needs to be replaced. I hope you never see anything like this going on in your facility.
Aside from minimizing wear and eliminating nearly all emergency breakdowns, KRC's PM program can help provide a permanent record of your machine maintenance history and its current condition. Contact me today before you are the victim of the consequences of failing to have a preventative maintenance program in place.
This has been another 60-second KRC Service Solution. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.